Hi, Jasper here from Dynamics. Today I'm here to talk about the importance of materials when rendering a model, and I'll be using Keyshot 10 Pro. Materials are the most crucial aspect of making a render photo realistic. The materials can be accessed on the Materials tab and offer a large range of existing material types. If the desired material cannot be found, you can use the Cloud library to find even more options. It is very normal to not be able to find the exact material required, but it's important to get a material very similar to the desired one before you edit it. You can edit a material by right-clicking Material, Edit Material. The different types of materials have different editing options, so keep this in mind. For example, you can't make a plastic material clear, but you can for a glass material. Texture maps can also be applied to help edit the physical aspects of the material. This is great for adding textures, but can also be used to add stickers or even to change the material's color. It is important to understand how your desired material should interact with light, as this will be the main convincing point when making a product look more realistic. It's also very important to remember that the material is applied per part and cannot be applied per face. If a specific face is intended to be another color, you will need to edit the model before importing it into Keyshot, so that the face is its own object. For other tips and tricks, make sure to watch my 5 tips and tricks for Keyshots video. Dynamics, where ideas are molded by experience.